Struggling to see small text or images clearly on Windows 11? Want a quick way to zoom in and out without hassle? You have come to the right place. Hey everyone, welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. In today's video, we will show you the fastest ways to zoom in and out on Windows 11. Whether you want to enlarge your screen for better readability or zoom out to see more at once. Let's get started. Method 1. Zoom in and out using the keyboard. This is one of the quickest methods and works well in most web browsers, the desktop, and many Windows apps. Click on the web page, document, or desktop area you want to zoom in or zoom out from. Press and hold the Control key. Keep it pressed throughout the zooming process. Tap the minus key to zoom out. Each tap zooms out further. To zoom back in, press Control and plus key. This method doesn't work in all apps like Microsoft Word, but is effective in browsers and most built-in Windows apps. Method 2. Zoom in and out using a mouse with scroll wheel. You can also zoom in and out on your Windows PC using the mouse. This method is perfect for users with a physical mouse, especially when browsing or viewing files. Click the area you want to zoom in or zoom out from. For example, a web page, photo, or your desktop. Press and hold the Control key. Don't release it during the next step. Scroll the mouse wheel downward. This zooms out the view incrementally. To zoom in again, hold Control and scroll upwards. Method 3. Zoom out with touchscreen or trackpad. If you are using a Windows laptop, then this method is for you. This is ideal for touchscreen laptops or devices with gestures-enabled trackpads. Tap the area you want to zoom in or zoom out from, whether it's a photo, app, or website. Place 2 fingers close together on the screen or trackpad. Spread your fingers apart. This reverse pinch gesture zooms out the content. To zoom back in, pinch your fingers together again. If gestures don't work, ensure they are enabled in your device settings. Method 4. Reduce overall display size via system settings. Press Windows plus I or click the gear icon in your start menu. Go to System, then select Display. Click on the drop-down arrow next to Scale. This trick should change the size of text, apps, and other items. Select a smaller percentage to zoom out globally. To zoom in, select a larger percentage. You can also adjust the screen resolution. To do that, expand the display resolution section. From here, select a higher resolution if available to make content even smaller. Your screen may blink or go black briefly. Choose Keep Changes if satisfied or revert to go back. Some apps may need to be restarted to reflect the new settings. And that's how you zoom in and out on Windows 11. Simple and fast. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Silicophilic for more practical Windows tips and tricks. Got your own zooms, shortcuts, or tricks? Share them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.